Once upon a time, in a jungle far, far away, lived a mighty lion who ruled over all the animals. He was strong, majestic, and feared by everyone. One day, while the lion was taking a nap under a shady tree, a tiny mouse accidentally ran across his path. "Oh no, I didn't see the lion. I hope he doesn't notice me,"